So the verdict is still out on the new CONCACAF Qatar 2022 World Cup qualifying format, where Jamaica will now play an 8-team hexagonal final round starting in June 2021 instead of the previously announced 6-team hexagonal round. So instead of Jamaica trying to qualify as one of 3 from 6, we will now have to qualify as one of 3 from 8, with the likely inclusion of any 3 from the likes of Canada, Panama, Haiti, and El Salvador. The previous format would have directly ruled out all of those except El Salvador from the final 6 because of the rankings. But now we have to contend with them. Yes, as we say, I don't like the change for Jamaica. There will be more tough teams in the final round. But on the other hand, the increase in the number of games up from 10 to 14, home and away, that longer qualifying tournament will enable us to make adjustments and to recover from bad results, etc. As it is right now, we have to do what we have to do. And outside of Mexico, possibly the USA, who are favored for the top 2 spots, that 3rd spot is up for grabs. So simply put, Jamaica's battle will ostensibly be against Costa Rica, Honduras, no possibly Canada and Panama for 1 automatic spot in the World Cup finals in 2022. All we have to do is grab this spot.